Hello, students. I'm coming to provide a little more help for you on the analysis of laughter in V.S. Naipaul's writings. It's challenging for me to help you because I have to now go to the text, pull out an example of laughter, and show you specifically what you're required to do. One thing you have to remember: nothing that I say in this video you can use in your essay. I repeat, you may not use anything from this video in your essay. Everyone must produce original and independent work. So let's go. So there was a first look at laughter. And we said laughter may be examined at several levels: literal first and then interpretive. Hold on to that. You must get the literal first before you could move to the interpretive. And then I provided you with a mind map of the various levels that are interpretive. And you need to work them through. Now, today I have an extract from the text, and I'm probably going to read it swiftly for you. In part 2 of A House for Mr. Biswas, we read of another plunging experience that causes us to think deeply. During a day at the seaside, Mr. Biswas was out swimming with his male friends and his son, Anand. Aware of his unimpressive physique, Mr. Biswas began to clung. And that's taken exactly from page 261. Notice how I do the parenthetical citation and notice the quotation marks, how specific they are. I continue. Extending his clunging to Anand, Biswas goaded his son, saying, I have it here in green for you because these are my words. They're going to introduce another brief quotation. And so, yes, you will have to make whatever quotation you use fall fluidly, run fluidly in a sentence. You just can't drop your quotation anywhere like that. I continue. When Anand did not resurface, meaning they threw him into the river and he didn't into the sea and he didn't come up again, his father said, the boy all right. Ducking. His grandfather was a champion diver. And all that follows now is my critical analysis. It is hard to imagine that Biswas fooling around led to the near drowning of his son. And yet, he shows no remorse. This incident of clunging and laughter reveals how dangerous playing the fool or trying not to show signs of male weakness can become detrimental. There is a certain psychology underlying such clunging and goading. While it began as a strategy used by Mr. Biswas to deflect attention from perceived signs of male weakness, it turns out to be a sick kind of joke. And maybe that's my paragraph. At the end of my paragraph, at the end of my essay, I'm required to provide a reference. So here it is. And this is the APA standard. Title on the line, city, and then publisher. If you go to a new line, then is when you invent. Sorry, that's when you indent. My thing has a few mistakes. I don't know if you noticed them. I think there's a problem here with spacing. I think there's a capital letter where it shouldn't go. And maybe that's it, but I'm not going to do it over again. I'm just going to give you this one to work with. Thank you.